Create an under construction page with domains.co.za. Let's create an under construction page for your website. Start by logging into your domains.co.za account and accessing your cPanel dashboard. Open the Manage Service drop-down menu and choose your web hosting package. Click Manage next to your domain, and on the following page, select Login next to Control Panel to open cPanel. In cPanel, go to the File Manager and locate the root folder, which is typically the public_HTML folder for your main domain. To create the under construction page, click New File. Name it, for example, underconstruction.html, and then click the Create New File button. Now open the HTML editor by selecting the new file and clicking HTML editor. Design the page by adding your contact details and a short message about your business. Once you've customized your page, don't forget to save your changes. To make sure the under construction page is the default index, we'll edit the .htaccess file. Open the File Manager, select Web Root, and tick the box to show hidden files. Right-click the .htaccess file and select Edit. At the beginning of the file, paste this code, #alternate default index page, directory index under construction.html. Make sure to replace under construction.html with your file name, then save the changes. Finally, visit your website to ensure the under construction page is working properly. That's it. Now you know how to create and activate an under construction page for your website using domains.co.za. It's that easy. Domains.co.za. It all starts with the domain name.